Hey Henna Guys Fam, today we've got a video about our scalp treatment combination. This combination contains both rose powder and Shikakai powders. The scalp treatment combination is great for helping to treat dry scalp and to help maintain a healthy pH for the scalp. These results can be seen with regular use. So let's get into the video. First, we're going to need a non-metallic bowl. We're using a glass bowl. Then you will need to measure out both the rose and Shikakai powders. We recommend about 4 tablespoons of each, or about 50-50. However, these measurements don't have to be exact. Measurements are based upon your hair length. Full measurements will be provided in the description box. You can also add more or less of the particular powder depending on your preference. We will be using about a half a pack of each rose and Shikakai powders for this mixture. Slowly add in the liquid and stir. You will want to have a batter-like consistency, so stirring is key. It will take several minutes of stirring to have the desired texture. While we're stirring, let's talk about how you can benefit from the scalp treatment combination. Shikakai is great for helping to promote hair growth, helps to nourish the follicles, and cleanses the hair. It can help to soothe an inflamed scalp and promotes a healthy pH level. Rose is great for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to get rid of dry scalp and itchiness. It can also help to increase the blood flow to the hair roots, which will help to promote hair growth. These benefits can be seen with regular use of the scalp treatment combination. So we've been stirring the mixture for several minutes and it has the desired texture. Now we will need to let the scalp treatment combination rest for about 10 minutes before application. When applying the mask, you will want to start from the roots of your hair and work your way down to the ends. Ensure that each strand is coated with the scalp treatment mask. Once your hair is covered, you will need to leave the mask on for about 30 to 45 minutes. After that time, rinse with warm water and a mild shampoo. For best results, repeat once to twice weekly. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see next. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.